All right, boys and girls, here we are, chapter 19, practice 2. We're going to talk about square units, okay? So what we're going to start with here is we are going to find the area of each shaded figure in square centimeters. And then we can go ahead and we will complete this table down here. And let's begin. So, figure A, we're going to count the different full squares first, and then half squares we can count after we're done with the full ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Over here, B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.5, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9. Okay, so figure A, again, we have 7, B is 5, C is 5, D is 5, E is 9, and F is 9. So here we're going to draw two different figures with the same area on the grids. So like I did last time here, what we're going to do is I'm just going to draw on the old geoboard here. So let's do a figure. So we have 1, 2, 2.5, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I need to make another figure that is the same area as 5 centimeters squared. So let's go 1, 2. Okay, there's 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5. So what is the area of the figures? The figures are 5 centimeters squared. And we know the centimeters because it says centimeter right over there. Okay. Now, on this side, the figures are made of square and half square tiles. Find the area of each figure. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So figure C is 5. Okay. 5 centimeters squared, excuse me. Figure D, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.5, 6. 6.5, 7. 7.5, 8 centimeters squared. Okay. Which figure has a larger area? Well, this one, figure D does. Okay. And then it says, how can you make both figures have the same area? Now, add to 1. Okay. That would be a way to do it, right? You could add some more to C or take away some from D. And then they would have the same area. Okay. Let's look down here. This one says find the area of each shaded figure in square inches, then complete the table. Okay, so let's look at our first one. I see each one of these is an inch this time instead of a centimeter, so let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So figure X is 10 square inches. Let's look at Y. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.5, 9. Okay, and now Z. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12.5, 13, 13.5, 14, 14.5, 15. Okay, so draw two different figures with the same area on the grid. These inch squares are smaller than in real life. Okay, the area of each figure is blank square inches. So again, it's really just drawing whatever you want on there, making sure that they are the same, okay? So let's go ahead and do another one. So we have a line there. Okay, there's one. Okay. La la la. Okay, so let's count how many we have square inches on this one. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6. So let's go like this for this one. All right, so the area of both, it's the same. They are both 6 square inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6. Okay, let's go down here. Now this says, find the area of each shaded figure in square inches, then complete the table. Okay, so let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So A equals 11 square inches. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8.5, 9. There's 9.5, 10. And there's 10.5, 11. Kind of neat how they did those, right? Kind of makes it look like a rocket ship. It's pretty cool. Or an upside down rocket ship. So let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10. For C. And let's count D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11.5, 12, 12.5, 13. And they are all in inches squared. So number 10 says, figure blank and figure blank have the same area. Figure 8. Oh, the kids would love to hear that again, wouldn't you? Figure 8. It's hauntingly great. So we had, what was it? A and B had the same area. They were both an area of 11. Number 11, figure D was the largest at 13 square inches. And the smallest one was C. C had the smallest area at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 square inches. All right, so boys and girls, until next time, see ya.